Okay, so let's continue. So Danica, she wants to arrange her model car in rows with exactly 6 cars in each. So just 6 1 row, then 6 1 row, like that. So she now has 23. So then he need how many more? At least how many more? So the smallest number, at least how many more additional cars he must, uh, in order to be able to arrange all her cars in that way. So this means suppose here he might not have the same, he need 3 more like that, right? So 23, we just check the 23. So this problem becomes 23 plus some number that equal the multiple of 6k. So 23, we said, 23, we know 24 is just the 6 multiplied 4, so right? So we just say x just equal 1. Okay. This person weight 106 pounds, and the other one are tiny babies and weighted only thus. Okay. So which is great? So oh, okay. Okay. So those numbers just like 5, 5, 6, 8, 106, right? So mean is average. So average is quite big, but the media is this median. Okay, and average should be like here, right? Mean or average should be here. So let's say, so which statement is true? Oh, let's say, what is great? So think mean, right? Mean or average is great. So great by how many? So we need to find mean. So mean is just average. Average is just the x bar equal just 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 106. Okay, just divided by 5. Okay, so we can easily find this. Like this is 10, and this one 6, 6, 12, and plus 8 is 120. 120. Okay, so this is 130 over 5 equal 130 over 5, 26. Okay, okay, so mean is 26 and media is 6, so difference is 20. Okay, for this problem, she take 4 100-point tests. Girl is achieve average 95. So her first exam scored 97, then second one 91. So the exam is thus, but this one, the last one, so he cannot get can achieve this goal. Still can be average, can be 95. So the question is, what is the question? What is lowest possible score he could have made on the third test. So the x as low as possible. So if x low, then we just say y is high as possible. So highest y is 100, right? So 97, 91, so x and 100. So from here we can find x. Average is 95. So we can use this way. 95, we just set 95 as 0. Okay, as 0. So this becomes 7. Oh, no. 2. And this one, 95 is 0. So 91 is just like negative 4. Okay, so with x, we still can keep this x. And this 100 is positive 5, right? Okay, so add them up is 0. So we find this x 7. X can be negative 3. So negative 3 means so this x negative 3, that means this x is 95 minus 3. 95 minus 3, 92. Okay. Okay. So we skip those two problems because those are just like media, mean, those things. Okay. Okay. So those problems quite the same. So we so in AMC8 they have many of those kind of problems. Okay. So mean, media, model, like those. Okay. So we say quite the same, but anyway, like let's still pick some. Okay. So for this one, let's check this. Like the average of 10 different positive whole number is 10. The average is 10. The large possible value of any of these number is, so here the largest possible value is what? So we just say smallest. So let's say, here also 10 different positive number, 10 different number, average 10. So let's say 10 numbers, average is 10, average is 10. So we just let this as large as possible. Okay, so average thing. Then we just let all others as small as possible. So just 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. But here those 10 numbers are different. So we just pick those numbers, other numbers as small as possible. So just as small as possible, just 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this number. Okay, so the average is 10, right? So the 10 number average is 10. So we can say what is the x number? What is x? So we just use 10 as 0. So this one we can check 9 is negative 1, negative, this become negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. Okay, then put this, so add them up will be 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, we just add them up. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9. This equal what? So this equal 1 plus 9, 10, 2 plus 8, 10, right? So let's say 10, 10, 10, 10, 45, right? So if add them up is 45. Okay. Okay, so this x should be positive 45. So here this x 45. Then this x, so we just set this 10 as 0, right? So this x should be 55. Okay, so let's check this one. We do not check it. Check each examples. We just check some one. Okay. A fifth number n is added to those. Okay. So we just added one more number to make the mean equal to the median. So mean equals median. So the number of n should be what? So this n, let's say n could be very small, could be here. N put n here or here or here. So, but the requirement mean and median same. So let's say if n is big, then the median is 9, so we want to make a mean is also 9. So what is A? Okay, and so this one case. Okay, so let's check this case first. Okay, so if the so here median is 6, so then average also 6, right? So we put 6. Oh no, 9. Median is 9, so average also is 9. So we put a 9 as 0, so this becomes 0. This becomes -3, -6, and this becomes 1. Saying this number, what is this number here? What is the number here? So add them up is 0. So this number should be 8, right? Should be 8. Okay, so then we say this n should be, so we set 9 as 0, so a plus 9, so this n should be 17. But we do not have 17 here. Okay, so we just check other case. Let's say, so so n is added to the city to make the, if n is here. Okay. Actually, we need to check like maybe we can choose this more than 4. Yeah. Okay. Now because we know n equals 17 works. So let's check this. N can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. So let's check this. We just 1, 2 the same. If we put 1 here, then median 6 and mean maybe not 6, right? And if 2, median 6, but mean not 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 also not work. 4, 4 not 4, or 4 is put to 4 here. So if there's 3, 4, just if this is 3, 4, 6, 9, 10, we find median and mean cannot be equal, right? So only this n equals 17. Okay. Okay, so this problem, this is the mean of 4 number is 85. So here we have 4 number, average 85. If the largest of this number is 97, so this is 97. then the mean of remaining one, then those average for those 3 equal what? Okay, so we can say like average for all is 85. 85 calculate this way, right? There's 3, like we put x1, x2, x3. Put this as x1, x2, x3, then 97. So we say x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 97 equal 4 times 85, right? So divided by 4 equal 85, so that's equal that. So then x1, this is 3 plus together equal 4 times 81. No, 4 times 85 minus 97. So we can find their average. So for this problem, for 85 too big, so we also can use this way. We just average as 0, 85 as 0. So here we have this, we still have this 3 numbers. This 3 number. No, this is just minus 85, okay? So like x3, just then 97 become 97 become 12. Okay, become 12. So this so equals 0, right? Okay, so this average divided by 3, so divided by 3. So this average is just equal -4. So this -4 is just, so we set 85 as 0. So this -4 actually means 81. Okay, so from this example, we can say like for those average, maybe we set this average number as 0. Then we can simplify the calculation. Okay, so now let's consider some problem. So for some other problem. Okay, so let's say this one. Some soda is sold in packs of 6 pounds or 12 pounds or 20, 6 cans or 12 cans or 24 cans. So what is the minimum number of packets needed to buy exactly 90 cans? So we make this number of packs as small as possible. So then we just use big one as more as possible, right? So at the first 90, we just use, let's say, you got 24 multiply multiply 3, right? At the most multiply 3. So we just need 3 packs of 24, then plus 24 multiply 3 equal 72, right? So 90, so then we still have 18 remain, right? Yeah, so this 18, I'm sorry. So this 18, we use 12, so one pack of 12 plus 1 pack of 6. So total number pack is 3 plus 1 plus 1, so 5, right? Okay. So we also can consider this way, like if this is otherwise, let's check that. If this one we have 24, we have only 2 of them, then so we have 40. So this 12 we can have 40, 12 we can have 3, then like this, but this number is more than this, so I think its answer is this is smallest. Okay, so this problem I think is easy. What is possible value for D? Like we such that 2.00 D5 larger than 2.005. So here's 0. Okay, 2.00. So this D should be should be at least 5, right? So should be, so D can be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So we have five possible value for D. Okay, a company sells detergent in 3 different sizes: a small one, medium one, and large one. So let's say, so medium size costs 50% more than the smaller one, and contains 20% less detergent than the large size. Okay, and large size contains twice as much as the small size, and costs 20% more than the medium. Rank the 3 sizes from best to worst to buy. So best to buy, we want to find the cheapest. We should buy cheapest one, right? So here, so cheapest one, we want to find unit price. We need to compare unit price for these 3, okay, or unit volume price. So let's say for small one, let's say we just say for cost. So here we have volume and cost. Okay, so for middle one, so for let's say, so we for cost, we say a middle one cost is equal 50% more, so we can say it's equal 1.5 multiply cost of small one. Okay, but for volume, middle one's volume contain 20% less than large one, equal, so 20% less, you see the 1 minus 20% 0.8 volume, large one's volume. Okay, so the large size contain twice as much as the small size. So let's say we got a conflict. So let's say we just set a small size as 1. Okay, we just small size as 1, then large size with a small size as 1, then large size is 2, right? Yeah, Okay, yeah, the large size contain twice as much detergent as a small one. Okay, so but for let's say, but cost 30% more. See, so but the so for volume for middle one, let's say. Oh, middle one is, let's say, so if we set a small one as 1, large one then, so large one's volume is 2, then middle one is, let's say, middle one is contain 20% less, 20% than large one. So large one is 2, so 20% less is 2 times 0.2. So this one is 1.6, right? So we have 3 size, 1, 1.6, and 2, right? So the cost, let's check the cost. So middle, so medium size cost 50 more. So cost, if cost is, we just use small size as 1, so cost is 1.5 cost. If smaller one is $1, then this is $1.5. Okay, and let's say medium one cost 50 more than smaller one. The large size contains and the cost. So for large one costs 30% more. So large one is equal 30%. So smaller one as 1. Okay. So large one is 1 plus 30%, 1.3. So multiply 1.5. Okay, so then we can find the unit price. So unit price for small size is 1, so second one, so middle one is 1 over, small one is 1 over 1, and this one is 1.5 over 1.6, right? Middle one. So it's a smaller one, middle one, and the large one is 1.3 multiply 1.5 over 2, right? So large one. So we can find those values. So let's see. So 1.3, 1.5 is 195. Okay, yeah, 195. Okay, so this equal 1.9, 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this, let's see. So this one, yeah, so we just calculate these 3 numbers. And so this one 1.95. Oh, so here we want to do some calculation, yeah. Okay, so we just compare these 3 numbers. Okay, so we compare these 3 numbers. Okay, so for this problem, 2002 is palindrome. So numbers from this left side to right side and from right side to left side same. So what is the product of the digits of the next year after 2002. That is okay. So we just find this set here. So 2002, and then so cannot be 3. Let's say 2, and then this should be, let's say 1 来. Yeah, only this. This is a closed one. So 2 times 1 times 1 times. This is probably easy. Okay, so for this problem, is we want to find, so those number, okay, between which two questions is the percentage increase the smallest? So let's say from A to B, let's say from A to B, so the percentage increase is B minus A and over A. So this is percentage of increase. This is percentage of increase. So let's check this. So B minus A. So let's say like this is 101, right? Yeah. So this is like 1 over 2 and 2 over 3, right? So let's say which one is the smallest. So we say not this, not this. So let's say so. And this is not the smallest. Okay, bit. So from 1 to 2, 100. So then 2 from 2 to 4 is same. 4 to 8 same. 8 to 16 same. 16 minus 8 divided by 8 is still 1, right? And here is also 1, 1. This is actually double. Saying, let's say this is also double. This is also double. So which one is not a double? Okay, which one is not a double? So from here to here, maybe not a double. And from, let's say this is double. So from here to here increase 1.5. So it's bigger than 1. Yeah. And from here to here, increase. Oh no. So here from here, from this between this to this, increase 100 more divided by 200, increase 50% here. So from here to here increase 100%, double. So this one increase is 50%. Okay, and how about this one? This one 64 to double over 64 to almost multiply 2. So from here to here, almost doubled, just less, but a little bit less than double. So we find, say, from here to here, the smallest. Let's say which two questions? Question 1 to the from 2 to 3. So these 3 guys each started with the number 10. Saying this Jules just subtract 1 from number 10, then double, and then add 2. Okay. So we just check. Let's say the numbers, or what's the question? Who gets the largest final answer. So we just check what's the number from juice. From juice, so this guy the start from 10, right? -1, so become 9. Then double, become 18. Then add 2, become 20, right? Okay. So this guy start from 10, then double the number 10, become 20. -1 become 19, right? Yeah. By 9. And added 2 become like 21. So okay. So subtract 1 from 10, so become 9. Just from 10 to 9. Then become 11. Then double, become 22. Oh, it's okay. The biggest two. So this problem is easy. Okay. So here we have these 5 numbers represented, 5 letters represent those 5 numbers. So questions: which following represents a negative number? So we say like 0 is here. 0 is here. So R is T are positive, PQ are negative. So P minus Q, this is negative. Yeah. Which following? Oh, this is negative. P multiply Q, so we just choose A. Yeah, this is easy. Yeah. Okay. So let X be the number of 0.000. We have so many zeros in 1. We are okay. Which following represents the possible largest number? So we say this X is almost 0. So we say divide by 0, so this numbers become very big. Okay, this is also easy. So the domino is make up 2 small squares, so black and white. Then let's say, so which of those cannot be made, cannot be covered exactly and completed by a whole number of non-overlapping domino. Okay, so this is 3 multiplied 4. This is what is B? 3 multiplied 5, like 4 multiplied 4. So which one cannot? Okay. This problem just we just check out. This one is okay, right? Yeah, use this. We have covered. Yeah. Okay. This one. This. How can you do that? Okay. So we can say if this is covered by this, we also can use this. Its area is 2, right? Okay. So source area should be at least be 2, but this one area is 3 multiplied 5. This is not work. This one's not even number. So this one cannot covered. Okay. So what is the problem? Which number of the array below is both the largest in its column and the smallest in its row? Oh, this is easy. Which number? So that number like the largest in the column. So for like for this one, not largest in column, right? So we just choose one. One is the largest in column. So for this one, this is column 2, so this is the largest. So this is the largest in column and smallest, smallest in row. So this is okay, this one. So those problems just a simple observation. We just check it. Okay. So let's check this problem. In the addition problem, so what is the number of C? So here's added. Let's say the so add them up. So we say this A should be 3, right? A should be 3, and A is 3. So what is B? We don't know. B, so there's 3. There's 3. Oh, no. A not 3. Should it be like this? Add them up 0. So A should be, let's say, A, this is 3, so A should be 2. Let's say A should be 2. Sorry. A should be 2, less than 1, right? So then this A is 2. So let's say we just say 2. So here, okay, 2, like that. Okay, so these 3 number added them up is like 10, right? Or 20. And then this one is this becomes 3, so this should be okay. So C, let's say only one C. Okay, so B is, let's say B. So B plus C can be so here's 0. So B plus C can be 8 or 18, right? So B plus C equal A, or B plus C equal 18. If B plus C equal 18, then B and C, both of them are 9. But 2, let's say 9, 9, 2, 9, 2. This is not 3, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Okay. So we say B plus C should equal 8. So B plus C equal 8. Okay. And also there's B plus, there's 2. Here's another 0. So there's B plus B should be like 7, right? So there's 9, so plus 1, like that. Okay, so we know only this, like, so B equals 7. Yeah, B equals 7. Then we can find what is C. C equal 1. Okay. Okay. What is the smallest sum of 2 3-digit number? Smallest sum of 2 that can be obtained by place each of 6 number. Okay, so we have 6 numbers put to here, so make the sum as smallest. So we say we should put those numbers as small as possible. So maybe let's say we can put 4, 5 here, smallest, right? Then so like 6, 7. We should put it like this way: 7, 8, 9. Or we can say, can we changing the if part 4 5 can changing the changing doesn't matter. Yeah, A9A same. Okay. Okay. So grading scale is like this, like A, now this is A, this is B, then this is C. So what the question? What percent of students receive grade C? So this is easy. We just check how many C, then divide it to how many students. This is easy one. Okay. Okay, so we can stop here. So we still have some problems. So I just leave those problems for you practice. Okay. Okay. So all those are easy. Okay. Oh.